Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google AdSense to YouTube monetization, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Google AdSense to YouTube monetization, start by ensuring you meet the eligibility requirements. Your videos must have generated at least 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Next, sign in to your YouTube account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. In the left menu, click on the Start button to begin the process. You will have to agree to the YouTube Partner Program terms. Read through the terms carefully and click I accept. Next, you need to connect your AdSense account. If you don't already have an AdSense account, click on the link provided to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your AdSense account, entering all required information. Once your AdSense account is set up, return to the YouTube monetization screen. Select the option to link your existing AdSense account. You will be prompted to sign in to your AdSense account. After signing in, confirm that you want to link your AdSense account to your YouTube channel. Once linked, you will return to the monetization screen. Now, you can set preferences for your video monetization. Choose which types of ads you want to show on your videos. After setting your preferences, click Next. YouTube will review your account and applications. This process may take some time. You will receive a notification once you are approved for monetization. If approved, you'll start earning money from ads on your videos. You can track your earnings through your AdSense account. That concludes the process of connecting Google AdSense to YouTube monetization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.